going on, everyone? We're gonna be starting out today's video in the car because I'm running on like 3 hours of sleep. I worked last night, and Bryx and Jordan have been working on the car. By the title and thumbnail of the video, hopefully we're gonna be wrapping Bryx's car. If you guys know or can guess what color we are gonna be wrapping it, let me know down below. But I'm gonna be meeting Jordan and Bryx at his house. They're just clay barring the car just to prep the car for the wrap, but should be a lot of fun. Do not use this as a tutorial video. We are just gonna be letting you guys know what we learned off of YouTube, and then you guys can learn from our mistakes or from what we learned the best from the video. But yeah, so I'll update you guys once I get to Bryx's house. So how's it been going? Say hello.
What's up?
¿Qué pasó?
It's been hot, dude.
Hot as fuck.
We got the swamp cooler in here. It's not even on.
Yeah, because it keeps. We couldn't. Long story.
So they already started. It looks pretty good. They said that they messed up right here.
We're gonna have to redo that one.
Yeah, that was our first panel that we tried it on. We should have tried with the smaller one, but we heated it up too much, so there's like a color change. You could see like the two-tone. You could show them.
I can see it.
Yeah.
It looks a little blurry on camera.
Oh.
Did you like, Jordan, did you like his headlights? Did he show you?
Yeah, no. He turned them on. I was like, ooh, fucking hot boy.
So this is the color. What color is this called? Green metallic? No, right? Emerald?
Metallic midnight green, I believe. Let me see. It's on the box.
So what's the process been like?
So first we wipe it down.
Just with alcohol, right? Or
No,
what
soap and water.
Oh, soap and water.
And then we use the clay bar with soap and water, and then use the alcohol. Wipe it down.
Look at this guy.
It's I think metallic emerald green with like a satin finish.
Do you think the process has been easy though? For the most part?
Yeah. We watched like a lot of videos, so we kind of knew what we were getting into. But doing it like for the first time, it's like
It's
big
not,
learning curve.
It's not bad. It's just it's gonna take a lot of time.
Yeah.
Okay, go. What are you gonna do now, my friend?
We are measuring the door. And
Did you guys
how much wrap we need for it? Huh?
Did you guys bring this outside to see what it looks like in the sun?
No, we just opened the garage door.
Nice. Well, this is how it would look at night then.
For the most part. Hold it. Hold it.
He touched your car.
Let's try to leave this black.
For now, yeah. Okay. Does it reach all the way at the corner?
Yeah.
Actually, it does. Jordan's like, I told you to measure it. I thought I did.
Yeah, see, it goes way the fuck down here. Look at that.
It's okay. Then we have that one for
The other shit there.
Christian. You can do this one.
Oh yeah, we have the little gas cap for you, Chris.
Gas cap.
Oh, you could do the gas cap. It's good practice.
You guys said you don't touch me with the burner.
What burner?
The heat gun.
I won't touch you with it.
No, you guys said you don't trust me with holding it.
No.
I remember you guys were like...
You put it on. I could do the whole burning and cutting and shit.
I feel very useful. I would like to interrupt today's video. This dude finally made an Instagram. What is your Instagram, senor?
I didn't post anything.
What is it?
It's EQ86XH6.
How do you spell it? And I'll put it on the screen.
_ X86. Yeah.
This shows how short I am.
Because you're like up high.
But yes, and then Mr. OK Rai, his Instagram is right here.
Okay, right?
Okay, Pie.
I'm having the homie make a new one.
Okay, Pie.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the Insta. A couple hours in, Bryx, how are you feeling? Are you liking the work that you guys have done?
Yeah, dude. For our first time, it's not too bad. So
It looks good.
yeah, I mean things could have been better, but like I said, first
There's always room for improvement everywhere.
Where are you cutting from?
It looks good.
Are you,
I really
are
want
you
to see it in the
here?
sun.
Are you
I'm
gonna
over
end
at the corner right now.
I really like
Oh.
it. No, like,
1 second.
I want to see how it looks in the sun.
Don't close the door because you're gonna pinch my fingers.
How are you liking the process, Mr. Jordan?
It's taking forever.
And it's hot. Dude, why is this off?
No, but it's fun.
Heat gun. That's why.
It's fun.
This is our AC. Dude. Your car next?
My car next. I kind of.
No, you need to modify your car again.
Suspension.
Yeah, I know. Alright, it's been a couple days since I've seen Bryx's car. Bryx has been adamantly working on it, sort of. But all we have left is... What do we have left, Bryx?
Probably the last time they saw it's the same shit, but it's still the front bumper, the hood, the rear bumper, and the hatch with the spoiler.
I'm really excited. Sorry, what were you saying?
Oh no, I was gonna say we're gonna leave the side skirt black, and we're also gonna rewrap the roof of like an ultra glossy black.
I'm really excited to see it in the sun. I haven't seen it. We're gonna try to finish with daylight, but I don't know. We'll see. At least we're gonna finish the bumper and the hood, so we can get some front photos of the car. But it should be fun. So we decided to take a break. We left it as you guys are seeing right now. What's been your favorite part of this whole thing? What's the most difficult part?
What's the question? Favorite or difficult?
Both. I think you made a good color choice. I still haven't seen it in the sun.
I didn't know there was a favorite part of this. Difficult part? Everything.
The front bumper is actually pretty hard. Like Bryx is having like a terrible time trying to like maneuver all the little crevices and the curves of the car.
Just to figure. I gotta watch more videos for the front bumper. I'd say doing the sides.
The straight parts are probably the easiest part.
Yeah, like the door, super easy. Unless your door has a bunch of like bevels and like angles and shit.
Yeah, and then the pillars, right, were pretty easy.
Oh yeah, the pillars were easy.
But we're gonna go get food right now. We're gonna go to this American joint called The Stand or whatever. But so this guy can take a break because right now he's chocolate wasted and he's getting a little hangry.
Yeah, it doesn't help that I'm also like hungover.
You're chocolate wasted.
Yeah,
Chocolate wasted. It's kid friendly, okay?
Oh, okay.
Alright, we'll update you guys when we get to The Stand.
Goodbye. Bro.
You happy?
Yeah, man, look at all the pickles I got.
We just finished with dinner, came back to this. We're gonna finish it, but the next time you guys see this car, we filmed a lot of us wrapping it. We're probably not gonna film any more of us trying to like figure this out. But the next time you guys do see this car, it'll be fully wrapped, and we will do the reveal at the end of this video. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of Bryx's wrap. I personally like it. I haven't seen it in the sun yet, but what do you think, Mr. Bryx?
I'm excited if it works.
If it works. But I'll see you guys very soon once the car is officially done. Thank you guys.